G'day guys. Paul, it's been a little while since we've done some radio stuff on the air. This is not a live stream. We're just going to have a flick around the bands and see who's around. Conditions haven't been all that great. And we're going to have a look and see. We've got some DX coming in from Spain at the moment. It's 3:45 in the afternoon here. We've had some wet, miserable days the last few days. And got a bit of sun out today, and hopefully things will dry up a bit. As some of you are aware, been working on the Shorty 40. We've done the coils, working on a battery pack for the 6100, doing some mods to a file that I found. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out. We've just changed the settings up a bit. Up here in the top left-hand corner, that's an oscilloscope, a Handtech I use as a cheap station monitor, just to monitor the roundness or make sure I'm not flat topping or clipping the audio. When I transmit, mostly comes in handy when I'm using the amp, but today we're going to go barefoot, what we call barefoot, and we're just going to pump 40 watts up into the OptiBeam replica, the OB7-3. That has two elements on 20 metres. So we'll have a play around. We'll see how we go, see if we can make some contacts. I hope everyone's doing well. And if you don't mind, if you've stopped by to have a peek, if you could hit that like button, and be nice if you subscribe to the channel as well. But stay safe, enjoy, and we'll see if we can work a few stations while there is a few out there and there is a little bit of skip. Hasn't been that great lately. We're on the way down, we're on the downturn of the solar cycle, but we'll work them while we can. We'll see how we go. 40 watts barefoot.
Mike, Zulu Hotel, Italy Uniform 0, Mike, Zulu Henry with company, Italy Uniform 0, Mike, Zulu Hotel, CQDX, somebody.
Victor Kilo 2, Lima, Quebec, VK2LQ.
Okay, I copy 2, Mike, Quebec, sorry, I'm not sure. Can you give me your call, please, over?
Victor King 2 London Queen, VK2 Lima, Quebec.
Okay, Victor ending Lima 7, but very sorry, the thing go up and down. Then there's Marco, Mike Alpha Romeo, Canada Oscar. Marco is my name, and the city is Aprilia near Rome. Aprilia at 40 kilometers south of Rome. But you, I copy you well, but sorry, I not understand your call. Can you give me one more time, over?
Yeah, Victor Kilo, VK number 212, Lima, Quebec. VK2, Lima, Quebec.
Okay, Victor Kilo 2, Lima, Quebec. Now I copy much better. I have an antenna beaming to north, and not in your direction, but I copy well now. Wait a minute, Tony. Then there is Marco, Mike, Alpha, Romeo, Canada, Oscar, Marco, and I'm situated in Rome. Nice to meet you again on 20 meters, and I'm very happy to see you this morning. VK2 Lima, Quebec. Are you 0, Mike, Zulu Hotel, over?
Yeah, good on you, Marco. Very nice to get you in the log again, mate. You're peaking 5 and 9 on the peaks, averaging 5.7, 5.8. So very nice to get you in there, mate. Good to see things are going well. You got Paul this way, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, and we last spoke back on, looks like 16th of September back in 2024, and we're just doing 40 watts barefoot, mate. Back to you.
Okay, Paul, no problem. Yes, I pointed antenna in your direction now, and you're picking it at 5 and 8, 58 with it, no problem. Thank you very much. Yes, we have another QSO on 20 meters, and I'm very happy to see you this morning. The conditions are good. Paul, can you please stand by? There is another friend with me. There is another Italian station, and and I pass the reader microphone. Please listen, Paul. Stand by. Gennaro. Marco, io non sento più nulla. Avete chiuso la propagazione. Quindi chiudo anche io. Vi saluto, buona giornata e ci sentiamo domani mattina, ok? Un abbraccio, ciao. Ok, va bene, stranissimo, oggi stranissima proprio la propagazione particolare. E Paul, sì, ci sentiamo domani mattina allora, un abbraccio Gennaro. Paul, sorry, Jen, my friend, did not listen to you. He changed the propagation and now I'm not listening any, only noise there, Paul, over.
Yeah, QSL, Marco, no worries, mate. Yeah, we're only doing 40 watts. We're just recording this, just showing people that power's not everything, mate. So, and considering the way we're on the bottom turn of the solar index for this cycle. All right, Marco, I'll say 73s, my friend. Very nice to hear you out there. And yeah, you come up to about 5.9 plus about 2 dB, mate. So you're working quite well. 73s, my friend. You take care until next time. Ciao for now.
Okay, thank you, Paul. Thank you for the 59 plus. I copy well. You're 5 and 8, 58 with no problem. Thanks for the call. Thanks for the contact, and I hope to see you again the next day. Best wishes to you. Have a nice weekend. Greetings from Rome. Victor Kilo 2 Lima, Quebec. India Uniform 0 Mike Zulu Hotel. Ciao, Paul.
Good on you, my friend. All the best. Until next time, stay safe. Ciao for now.
Ok, ciao Gennaro. Chiudo anch'io tanto.
All right, so that's not bad. 40 watts, 5 and 9, and we're virtually pointing down his throat. But I should have asked. I think he usually does about a kilowatt, so not too bad for the.
Victor Kilo 2 Lima, Quebec.
QSL, you're 58, 5 and 8. QSL?
Yeah, Roger, thank you. 5 and 9 for you. 73.
73's all the best.
Cherry Sierra 2 Whiskey Alpha. Whiskey,